What's going on, guys? Welcome to today's video. It's been a while, I'll tell ya. It's been a while. Okay, so today I'm feeling a Big Mac, but you know what? We're gonna make it homemade Big Macs. I'm gonna do homemade Big Mac versus normal Big Mac. I assume homemade's gonna be better than the normal Big Mac, but we will see. Oh man, I'm tired. It's been hot nowadays. All right, let's get straight to the video.
Doesn't exist.
Oh, that's so fire!
Just us.
I had a dream about you last night. Your eyes were shining so bright.
Hi, can I just have a Big Mac?
Olivia?
Yeah, that's it.
Okay, 5:45, thank you.
Thank you. We have secured the bag. All right, but what we're gonna do is check it out, like what I said. Okay. Oh, what the? Look how dry. We gotta toast that. That's key. How are we gonna toast it? I'm just following his lead, but got patty, 2 pickles. Fuck the pickles. Yeah, and I did not know there's only 1 cheese in this. Did you know there's one cheese?
There's one on the bottom. That's it.
That's it. That's kind of whack.
Yeah.
That's kind of whack. We're gonna head to the lab and get started on the homemade one. Let's go.
Shit, man.
The kitchen. We're gonna put sauce on the bottom and middle bun. Next, you're gonna get your diced onions and put it on your bottom and middle bun as well. Then you're gonna get a pinch of lettuce and put it on your bottom bun. Alright, this is the key part. Only 1 slice of cheese on the bottom bun. Remember that, guys. 1 cheese on the bottom bun, which is kind of whack. And after the cheese, the 2 pickles. 3 pickles. Okay, you're gonna get your piece of meat, middle and bottom bun. Okay, now time for assembly. We're gonna get the middle bun and put it on top of the bottom bun. And then you just top it off with the top bun. Then voila, here's your Big Mac. Start with the OG Big Mac. This one is like an hour old, but I'm sure it's more than that, but I'm gonna take a bite. Normal Big Mac, standard, delicious, you know, staple. Okay, we tasted McDonald's one. Now the moment of truth, trying the homemade Big Mac. I'm telling you, this bun, we buttered it. It's gonna be buttery, it's soft. This is stale. Like, okay, moment of truth, I'm gonna take a bite. Right here. Bro, oh my god, that's so fresh. Dude, you gotta try this. You hold up.
We have a driver's seat here, boys.
Dude, that is so good.
Lululemon. Alright, let's do the OG childhood dream.
Like, that's stale, right? Like, the Yeah, it's like an hour old, but the bread is stale.
Alright,
That
let's
one's
see.
banging. So soft. It is so good. So good. I mean, you made the point that obviously they're not gonna take time and the care to like perfect a Big Mac like what
I'm
we
not
just
wiping that
did.
off my mouth all day.
But yeah, like
That's really good.
it's so good. I mean, yeah, COVID, right? I mean, just try it right here. Mmm. Like when you say, I'm not wiping it.
Souvenir for the road.
That's so good. Okay guys, that is the end of the video. That was amazing. I might want to make this a series doing a versus of a junk food versus homemade. But like I said, that is the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you to the chef over there. I'm not gonna show him because he hates the camera, but shout out to the chef. I'll leave his food page in the description below, and see ya.